Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. I've had this 16 by 16 triangle canvas for a while and I just didn't know what I wanted to do on it, and I had some leftover paints from my previous video with the ninja swipe in it, and I got to thinking, I wonder how a ninja swipe would look on a triangle. That might be cool. So I decided to go with a black base, and this is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black, and going to use the same identical colors that I used before, and we'll start the pour off with the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. All my paints have Floetrol and a little bit of water in them for consistency. There's no silicone. The next color that I added was the Dioxzinne Purple, and then the DecoArt 24 karat gold, and then light magenta, and this is metallic cobalt blue, and then a little bit of black, and then I'm just going to repeat the colors again. Same order. I'm really interested to see how it will work on this. The other one dried really nice, and I'll have to do a how they dried and show you. But this is not quite as easy as it looks, but it is a lot of fun. And I wasn't satisfied with the using a bigger blade, but I just wasn't satisfied with the way it looked. So I'm going to do a little bit of tilting, and then I'm going to add a little bit more paint because I did lose some of this over the side. Same colors. Using a smaller one now. And then tilt a little bit more. And it's kind of weird looking, but I still kind of like it. So just doing a little bit of touch up with some of the black, and then just finding a few of the lines a little bit more so that they stand out a little bit more than they do, especially against this black, because when it dries it will dry kind of dark. And then I got another kind of wild, crazy idea. Was like, I have another triangle canvas. I wonder what it would look like if I did the same identical thing but on a white background. So before I get started on the white one, though, I did want to show you how the first ninja swipe dried. And I think I was just looking at it wrong because it actually was turned the other way around. And my daughter says it looks like a jellyfish to her. I don't know, maybe it is, but I like it. It's different. So, but we're going to do this next ninja swipe to match the black triangle that I did. And I'm going to use the same colors. And then put them side by side like this. I think it's going to be really neat. Pretty cool. And I'm going to do like the pour in the top corner. Of course it wouldn't matter because I could flip it, but just for the purposes of the video, I'm going to do the pour in the top corner and swipe downward and see how that looks. And I'm using a different swiping tool. This is a silicone spoon, and it's got a wider base for me to use to swipe the the paints with. So I'm going to use the white base of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, and then we're just going to start the puddle off with the Artist Loft Black. And then we will use the Artist Loft White. And then next I'm going to use the Magenta. And then the purple, or Dioxzinne Purple. The gold. Metallic Cobalt Blue. And I was getting very, very close to the edges, but I still wanted another round of the colors, so just kind of started over. But I didn't use a whole lot because I can always come back and add some more if I need to. Alright, put a little bit of white around it, and here we go. And I found that it's easier to turn the canvas than it is to try to turn my hand or arm to make the swipe go the way that I wanted it to. But I actually swiped really deep and the canvas was showing, so I went ahead and added some white there and then used a spatula to make it meet the edges of the other color. I'm going to do another quick little puddle here and then do another swipe. And I'll tilt it a little bit, see what we have. And I kind of like this right where it's at. And then a little bit of heat from the torch. See if we can get anything to come up. Maybe some of the colors from underneath this gold or some cells. And that, I do like this. Maybe it's the colors that I like, but it looks pretty good next to each other. I like this. So here are the dried pictures. I think they're going to look great once I get them resin. And you can hang them in any orientation, but I kind of like them side by side of the first one there. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, click like and share. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and ring the bell. And I hope to see you in my next creative